Hey YouTube, thanks for stopping by real quick. We're going to talk about these ground throws. Thing I didn't mention before, I'll mention it now. Just pull this part out, put in the pin that you're going to need, and then come in here to the exact place where you're going to put this. Drilled out the hole, by the way. I don't know the actual number of that one because it's illegible, but it's about the same size as the one in the middle. So I'm going to put this right into the hole. Yeah, there we go. I'm going to offset this. There it went. So it's all nice and square. It's pulling. There we go. See, we're pulling on that. Make sure that it's in the right place. Then I'm going to take a stick like that and indent where those lines are going to go through, those three V-shaped things right there. So now we know this is where the hole's got to go. And we have to be careful because you don't want to get the drill into that, right? So you're going to drill a 3/8 inch hole right here. For me, I use this foam. That's why I'm going to put it right up there and butt it right up against there. Nice and neat. I'll put a slit in here, basically a little rectangular slit for those to go down so it's not visible. And easy, just cut it out. And then drop it down. We already know everything's going to be good. Pop it on there. You're all set to go. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. See you in the next video. Be safe. Bye.